Well, hello again, friends. We're back. We're doing another haul. I wish I could say this wasn't mostly Christmas focused, but it is. Because it's just that kind of time of the year, I guess. And I've learned in the past year or two that when I have a theme that I really want to do, usually waiting until October or even November is, I don't want to say too late, but if you're looking for those extra special pieces or elements, it just seems like between just the busyness of life and everybody also trying to find cool things for Christmas or holiday decor, I just never find it. And I found last year, I some of my favorite pieces I found in off-season times. And so taking all of what I've learned in the past, I decided I'll start sourcing now, and if I see something that makes sense, I want to get it. So we have some eBay haul, we have a quick Ross haul, and a Hobby Lobby little thing here. Nothing too crazy, but it is all pretty much Christmas related except for one thing, and that's what we're going to start with. Ooh, sorry. So this is a roll of vinyl, which is real big. Like, it barely fits on the screen here. It is very thick. You can see how thick it is. It's hot pink. I hope you can tell against the wood table, but it is a pink. And I saw this on clearance at Hobby Lobby locally. I mean, it had to have been like 2 months ago. And I ended up, if you guys saw my Slytherin tablescape, I ended up buying a mirror, like kind of like a smoky mirror finish vinyl that was a little thicker that they also had on clearance, because I was like, okay, I can do something with the mirror. And I did that, and I've used it. I love it. And then I happened to go back, and I saw that they still had this, because I saw this one, and I was like, I don't know what I'm going to do with it. And truthfully, I'm only like 40% sure what I want to do with it. I'm very new to the vinyl scene, but check it out. It was only $1.20 for this whole roll. So even if I come up with a project and it totally sucks, I can't even really buy a Coke at the store for that price these days. So if you have suggestions on what to do with vinyl, let me know. I have like a plan loosely forming for Valentine's Day this year, or I guess next year. But yeah, I got a lot of hot pink vinyl. So that's exciting. So that's the first piece from Hobby Lobby. And I'll say that's the only really non-Christmas piece that I got. And this second thing that I got from Hobby Lobby, you're probably gonna eye roll at me, but bear with me. So I got these giant unfinished wood letters, and I got the big ones that have the hook spots in the back for your nails or whatever. And okay, I want to talk to you guys about why I got them. So obviously I got a J and a Y. And if you saw my other haul from an estate sale a couple weeks ago, you know that I picked up a wreath. Boom. Look at that. So we can finish all of these to whatever theme we want this year. But I will say in the past Christmases, I had been looking for these, and everybody also had similar ideas, and they were sold out and they didn't restock them. So when I saw these on sale at Hobby Lobby, I was like, yep, I know what we're doing. So picked them up pretty affordable. You know, when they're on sale, I try to get them. And then that's all I got from Hobby Lobby. And that's, you know, nothing crazy. But if you guys saw one of my more recent uploads, I think it was my trendy tree haul that I got. It was my unboxing. It was my first time, I think, getting anything from them. And we talked about how last year for my Christmas theme, I did like midnight navy blues and golds and coppers, and I really wanted to have a lot more stars, and I just couldn't find them. And so between the estate sale haul, if you guys saw that the other day, that I picked up a ton of gold stars there. And then at Trendy Tree, I picked up some more star ornaments and decor strands that I think could be really pretty for that. And I was like, everything is telling me, like the universe is telling me, like we need to like keep going with our navy. All the stuff we were looking for, we're starting to find again. So, in addition to all of that, okay, I found this little gem at Ross. And it was in the hanging section for like outdoor decor, like hanging stuff, but it's a pretty moon. It has this nice kind of like chain link finish on it. But I just thought this moon, oops, excuse me, is so cool. And it's like a metal finish. And I was like, oh, it would look so pretty if I have all these stars. It would be nice to have a cool moon as well. And then I saw it and it was $8. And I was like, oh my gosh, this is going to look so cool incorporated into my tree, whether it's my tree topper, with a, it being a moon, or I mean, hanging next to the tree or out of the tree. I don't know yet, but I know I love it. And for $8, that's a really cool statement piece. So having that kind of like winter, like starry night vibe going, I think is going to be super, super cool. So I'm really excited to use it. I think it's definitely gold. So, that's fine. I was going to use gold with that theme anyway. So maybe golden and champagne. I don't know, but we're going to keep that for Christmas for sure. Now, we're going to continue on with our, kind of hauls of this last week or two. And so we are switching focus from Hobby Lobby and Ross to eBay. And I used to buy a lot of stuff on eBay. Haven't bought a lot of stuff recently just because, haven't been buying things. But even in my like Christmas and July sale searching and just general looking, I'm having a really hard time finding a lot of burgundy Christmas anything. And I found the ornaments you guys might have seen the other day from the estate sale haul that were perfect. And I was just looking for ribbon or even like past inventory that was out of stock, so I knew what I could find in the future, because I didn't really want like that bright red. So anyways, to eBay we went, and I was a little like, I don't know. But here's our first package. I haven't even actually opened it yet, so like here's hoping everything's okay. But I thought it was pretty reasonably priced. Or, we'll see what we get. But okay. So okay, these are old Michael's ribbons, it looks like. This says Michael's on them, but that's fine. And they are, let's see, 2.5 inch by 25 feet rolls. And they were not super expensive in my opinion, but it definitely looks burgundy for sure. I definitely see that. I wonder if it tells you the color on here. No, it doesn't. But it definitely is more burgundy than red. I've been trying to color match, or at least coordinate as often as I can. And so this burgundy kind of Merlot color that I found a lot of fabric, I think they were like window balances, I'm not really sure, but I found a ton of it at Goodwill, is kind of the color I'm going for. So this is, pretty much spot on. So that burgundy Merlot is perfect, and at 25 yards, I think, each, they are going to be really helpful. So that's a huge amount of ribbon already done that I don't have to worry about. So really excited about that. Oops, looks like something fell off. Must have been like a button in there. I don't know. All right, cool. So we got some Christmas ribbon. Fantastic. And honestly, like, I don't even mind that it was from Michael's in the past, because that's one less thing I have to do this year. Okay, and then one more eBay box here. And while I'm opening it, I'll just kind of talk to you guys about what my plan was for this. So I was trying to figure out, with my navy blue theme from last year, like what direction, if I couldn't go stars, what I go for. And I kind of liked the idea because I bought so many navy blue ornaments. It kind of got me thinking, if you guys remember from like way back, probably before, I think it was out before I was born, but the original Disney Fantasia, they have the Nutcracker Suite in there by Tchaikovsky, and they have a wonderful scene with fairies that are dancing, like end of fall, starting snow, like the winter season. And as the fairies are floating along, they're leaving like little ice behind them. And I thought, ooh, like blue and icicle could be really fun. And then just kind of like build off of that blue and icy vibe. And I was like, okay, you're trying to find those kind of like maybe acrylic fairies that are clear, that kind of have that, I don't say like neutral, but the fairies in the Fantasia movie are that. They're kind of like neutral. So I found this listing on eBay that had them, and I was like, oh, this is going to be perfect. And it is. Like, those are pretty great. So it was a mixed lot of them. So really great. I'll keep opening. They seem like they're packaged really well. So that's nice. I love when people make an effort with packaging, but I don't remember how many different styles there were. I just remember the listing saying there was different, different styles. So this looks like we got 2 of these, which are really pretty. But I like that they're like the fairies are clear and pretty neutral, and that way I can transition them to, whatever I want them to, like whatever the theme to be. Because when I was looking for fairy ornaments in general, they had, like really obvious ones that were like a ballerina or the sugar plum fairy. Oh, here's another one. This one's pretty. Isn't this nice? Oh, this is gonna be really cool. Very well done. So that's exciting. But I think, I don't remember how many are there. I want to say there's like 6 of them or something in this set, and they're definitely old. But I don't think I need, like, I wasn't worried about only finding a handful of them online, because one, I'm sure I'll find more over the years if I keep building this theme out. But 2, like, I don't think you need like a huge number of them either. So here's another one of these. I like these, they're very pretty. And, if these little snowflakes fall off or break or anything, I'm sure they're really easy to switch out for something else. And I think the listing, if I recall correctly, said 1 or 2 of them didn't have their snowflakes on them. So let's see which one this one is. They're very lightweight too, which is nice, because some of the, like, there are Swarovski ones and like really fancy ones that are okay, very pretty, that are very expensive, but they're also like really heavy, it seems like. So yep, I'm not putting these in the right order, am I? Yeah, I might be. Okay. Ooh, all right. So let's see. Clearly they were wrapped really, really well. While I'm unwrapping this, I'll just let you guys know I've been trying to upload more of my hauls, especially the one specifically around my seasonal decor. Okay, here's one that is missing her snowflake, but that's fine because we can put a snowflake on. It looks like, yep, I don't know if you guys can tell on the camera, but there is a little hole in her hand. So we just have to put like a little fishing line through there and get a little snowflake. She'll be good as new. Well, that's probably cool. So yeah, going back to what I was trying to mention, the playlist haul, I like to share with you guys my finds, and I'm always happy to share, companies that I might not. I've normally tried, like, my recent ones with like Trendy Tree and Miss Casey's. Here's another one. I'm missing a snowflake, but I'm not worried about it, because I've just been stalking them for a long time and had been really interested in their products, and I just never made the leap. So if it helps encourage you guys to take a look at their site too, I hope that helps you. But I just find myself becoming increasingly more frustrated with the local, we'll say like the big box craft stores, because if you guys are even remotely active in the crafting purchasing element. So here's one. Oh, she has a broken arm. Well, that's okay. I don't think anybody will even tell on the tree. That's okay. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, even better. So we got 8 of them. Awesome. Going back to my little rant here about the big box craft stores, I'm having a hard time with, they got rid of the 40% off coupons, and I say they because pretty much all of them did over the course of this year. And then I get it, they have, you know, a regular like 20% off all regular priced products or whatever. But for me, the regular priced products in those stores are so hyper inflated because I think they used to have, you know, the 40% off coupon for a decade or whatever it was. And so the regular prices are just crazy. So unless something is like actively like, you know, fall 50% off or, you know, 40% off this or something, like I'm not even entertaining it for the most part because it's just, in my opinion, like for me, it's just a big spend. And most of the stuff is not that necessary for my projects. I mean, don't get me wrong, like if I really need to, I'll get it, but paint is one thing, but the seasonal stuff where the quality isn't really there, I'm starting to really appreciate paying a little bit more upfront for a better quality floral pick or ribbon or something versus a cheaper one, just because I'm trying to build a collection or even a few collections of themes for my holidays that I'm decorating for, be it spring or Christmas or Halloween or whatever. And so if I'm going to go spend the money on it and I'm going to store it and back, you know, box it up and everything, and I like it and I want to build on it next year, I don't want something that isn't going to last, if that makes sense. And I'm not saying their stuff won't last. It just doesn't wear as well, doesn't age as well. And I've just been having a hard time with some of the stuff that I bought from the big box stores a couple of years ago, unboxing it and then like, I don't want to say refreshing it, but making it look good again. I'm having a hard time with that. So anyways, that's my rant for now. And I hope you guys enjoyed my haul. It's mostly Christmas stuff, but you know, we're about at that point of the year where we're starting to think about things. And I am going to be working a little bit ahead this year on my decor anyways, so I can share with you guys. So yeah, stay tuned. If you enjoy these hauls, check out my playlist where you can see a lot of the other videos that I referenced. And yeah, check out Christmas 2020 playlist so you can see the navy stuff I was referencing for Christmas because it's a really unique theme. Okay, that's it for me. See you guys soon.